अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस,
कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। और आज की वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल होने वाली है क्योंकि
आज हम करने वाले हैं स्नैक्स रिव्यू।
और ये कुछ यूई के स्नैक्स हैं और यूई में इंपोर्ट होके आते हैं, तो कुछ वो हैं, तो हम उन सब का रिव्यू करेंगे। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो जो हमारा पहला स्नैक है वो डैनी टी के डेजर्ट है, कुकी फ्लेवर की।
और ये कंपनी जो है ओरिजिनली सऊदी अरब की है।
तो चलें शुरू करते हैं।
अब हम ओपन करते हैं।
We're gonna be opening it up now. Wow, this looks yummy. See, it's in brown color. 1, 2, 3.
बिस्मिल्लाह।
It's nice. अच्छी है.
It tastes like
Cookies and milk and chocolate,
and it's also just like the chocolate one,
which we have here.
but this one is a lighter version.
Yeah. This one is like the dark chocolate and it's a little bit bitter and something. Oh, I like this one.
So the next snack is Snickers chocolate.
So now we're going to be opening it up. Hold breath first.
So we are only gonna open only one, and we're gonna taste from the same one.
First, who's going to try?
There.
It's yummy as always. Oh my god.
It has caramel. It has peanuts. And have a very good texture. A chocolate.
It's very rich in nuts and chocolate and caramel.
I like Snickers.
Hopefully everyone likes Snickers. Who don't like, please comment down below.
Our next snack is
Al Modish Trolla chips, and this is pizza flavor.
and these are originally from Saradaf, Oman.
Yeah.
So now let's open this up.
Yummy, yummy. So I got one. It's nice.
It's just like Doritos.
It does not really feel like pizza, but it says it's pizza. It's nice. I think it's the second version of Doritos.
So this is our next snack, and this is Grand Meals Double Chocolate Cupcake.
Yeah, so let's open.
So our next snack is Hello Panda chocolate filled biscuits.
And back in Pakistan, it's known as Kokomo, and these are very nice. I know. Now let's try it. Thank you.
Look something like this. If the camera something like this, there is a panda on it, and it's also shaped like a panda.
Panda's face.
Yeah, the panda's face. And let's try this. There's this much chocolate inside it.
It's yummy. So it says here that it's from South Africa.
But actually you guys cannot see it because
It's not focusing it.
yeah.
The light is super bright. I don't know.
Okay. So these are Luzine's cupcake. These are caramel flavors.
So let's try this.
So this is our next snack, which is Almarai strawberry flavored yogurt.
And this is from Saudi again.
Okay, now let's
Try it. Here we go. It's nice. It's tasty.
take
Both are cheap.
strawberry yogurt.
This is not a like मतलब ये वैसी वाली नहीं है जैसे फ्रोजन स्ट्रॉबेरीज की बनी हुई होती है स्ट्रॉबेरीज की ये बिल्कुल फ्रेश लग रही है बिल्कुल what do you call it? It's rich in strawberry and the yogurt is also fresh.
Yeah, and it says on it it's fresh yogurt, strawberry flavored, and
It's from Saudi, right? Huh?
yeah. So we like this one as well.
Yeah.
Now we have some biscuits, and these are Lulu biscuits, and this one's chocolate and this one is orange, and we're gonna try one of them.
I think we should try chocolate because I'm a lover of chocolate, huh?
Okay.
Now let's open.
Okay. So this is how the biscuit look like. Okay.
It's brown color. Maybe from the brightness you can see it like dark brown.
And this one is empty. Usually this side is also empty. Also empty.
So we're supposed to eat them together, right?
Yeah. Smells like
Bismillah.
chocolate. Bismillah.
These are tasty. So all of the snacks which we have tried from the chocolate, सब बहुत rich हैं chocolate के अंदर. कोई भी मतलब 2 रुपए वाली chocolate नहीं है. 2 रुपए वाली chocolate.
These are so good. And now let's move to the another snack. So now it's candy time, and we have,
Copico.
and this is cappuccino flavor, rich coffee, toffee, and let's
Eat it.
eat it. Now let's try these,
Crack light chips.
and these are toasted chips, and the flavor of it is chili pepper. And now let's try.
Let's try. Super excited. Thank you.
So now it looks something like this,
These are cute.
and it have some red chili peppers on it.
Oh my god, this literally tastes like Super Supreme pizza, which is available in Pizza Hut, right? You guys must try this one.
These are good,
Yeah.
and these are from Oman. Before I was struggling to find from where it is, and it says it's Oman. Okay. Next snack or the next candy is,
Chupa Chupas lollipop. This is basically Coca-Cola flavor.
we love Coca-Cola flavor,
Yeah.
so we just bought Coca-Cola flavor.
I got it now. Give me scissors.
I'll open it without the scissors. I'll try to open it without the scissors. And actually my sister is struggling to open, and I opened it. So it looks something like
This
this.
is in brown color, but maybe you guys can see it white.
Yeah, it's brown.
Literally. I'm supposed
Now after minutes of struggling.
Okay, I got it out.
Okay. Now let's
Let's try.
taste.
My favorite is the Coca-Cola flavor. It's the best.
Same as mine. So in this lollipop you also have
Bubble gum inside it.
at the end.
Yes.
And actually I couldn't find from
Yeah, it's not written here or mentioned here from which company. I mean, from which country origin it is. I think this is gonna be from Saudi. I don't know. So these are salad chips
And these are from Oman. We don't need to struggle to find that.
because we are eating them from a long time. These are super nice. So let's eat them.
Open it up.
So now let's open them. So where's the scissors?
I got these scissors.
I'm hungry. Try them out. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah. Oh my god, they're a little bit sour and they're the best. These are potato or corn?
These are potatoes. It's hot. It's sour flavor.
Alright, give me one more. Thank you so much.
Let's move to the final item.
So now we have Nutella.
And let's open it. Okay. So you open Nutella.
Oh my god. Let me open it. You got it wrong. Oh my god, this is melting. Still, it's okay. Oh my god.
I don't know why I'm.
Bismillah. This is the best. You guys would be wondering why we are eating a lot of chocolates in this video.
Actually, yeah. Yeah, we eat around.
I think 4 or 5.
I like hazelnut flavor so much.
This is the best.
And I don't like Nutella with the slice.
Okay.
That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, comment and share our video. And please comment down below. Give your suggestions to us, like which video you want to watch next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.